Hey there peeps, it's me again and I'm back for another video. So this time we're going to take a look at the Futbol app. So it's by Panda House, by the way. So I have just installed it. So all I have to do is to open it right here on my phone. So you can see right here, I don't have a code because it's optional. So you can see right here, all in one place. One place to see news, live scores, and discussions for all the clubs you follow. And of course, there is best news forum for clubs you follow, like comment on the news, most popular articles rise to top, and instantly switch between news forums. Discuss the match, in which you could share your opinion while seeing live scores above. And you could win prizes with Panda points. Of course, you could get points by inviting people in the app and win points from the correct score predictions. So I don't have an account yet, so all I have to do is to click sign up. Okay, so either you can do it on email or proceed with Facebook. So I will choose Facebook. And then I'll just click continue. Okay, it will take a few seconds. So we just have to wait, guys, okay? Alright, so it's all about selecting our primary club. I have to be honest with you, peeps. I'm not really a football fan. I'm much more in the basketball side, but yeah. So I don't have a favorite team here. Okay. So I wanna pick like English Premier League. Okay, England. Oh yeah. So UEFA Champions League. Okay, this could be. And then the search clubs. Okay. I'm not really a football fan, so sorry. Let's see which one that I am really familiar with. Okay. Maybe I should go for Manchester City. And then I click done. And then, of course, it pops up. Do you have a bonus code or a pin code? So I don't have, so skip for now. And of course, you can see right here, join our interactive chat rooms to learn how to use the app and earn points. So either you can go for trivia contests with giveaways, pandemonium, discussions with all community members, and share your moments. So click continue. And of course, you could make your predictions and earn points, in which we feature games daily, match discussion, and daily leaderboard with big prizes. So click continue. And of course, see match info, table, news, and social feed of the players for your club. So we could see the team news and discussion. Okay, so you can see right here in the screen. So it's like a social media for football. Okay, so you can post your stats right here. Okay. All right, and also you could react, you could share it. Okay. So let's say, for example, I will react on this one. Okay. This lady right here. And I think this is an upvote. Yeah, I think this is an upvote, and then you can comment right here and you can share it. Okay. So hello there. There we go. And maybe, what's this one? So repost or repost with comments. So I should click repost for now. Repost added. Okay. So it will be on my timeline, I think. So this is my profile. So I already have 500 points and 1 follower, 1 following, 1 TFC unlocked. So by the way, TFC is their token. Okay. So what about points to TFC, by the way? So create your TFC wallet first. Okay, so create your wallet. Okay, so request a TFC wallet. The approval process. Show us you are a real human by following the below steps and click request your wallet. So you could. So I have already added my profile image and enter a referral connect code from the person who invited you. Okay. So yeah, I will be requesting this later on from TFC official, and then I will validate my phone. Okay. And of course, we could spend something. Okay. Since I don't have a TFC wallet, of course, I cannot spend. Okay. So I'm just exploring the dashboard, guys, about this Futbol app. Okay, so this is for those of you who are football fans and also into cryptocurrency and blockchain as well. Okay. So what about this panda logo? So it says right here, your teams. Okay, and also you can see the latest news of the team, the stats. So tomorrow, Manchester versus Manchester United. Okay, so Premier League, you can see all of the stats. Yeah. So in order for you to gain the benefits while using the app, of course, you need to create your TFC wallet. Okay. So I'm just exploring the dashboard, by the way. And then I click back. Of course, if I want to edit profile, you can do so right here. And for this one, this is the prediction section. Of course, there is a featured match. You could predict the score of today's featured matches and win points for TFC. So predictions are open up to 10 minutes before the game starts. Okay. So yeah, I will be waiting for that. Okay. And of course, I could join or predict tournament matches. So you can select any of these. Oh, sorry, there is an ad. These are also running by ads, by the way. So join PPP English Premier League Stage 30 now. There you go. So click to view stages. So round 13, minimum prize pool is 1 million plus 1,000 points per participants. So the total prize pool is 1,818,000 points. May decrease for participants without predictions in this stage. Okay. So you can join more than one. Okay. There we go. And you can see the weekly stats. And of course, you can see the leaderboard. So you can sort it either yesterday, today, and 10 days or so. So yeah, my points are 0 as of now because I just signed up. Okay. So you can see the top players right here in this prediction section. Okay. And about this, invite your friends to the Futbol app and get 5,000 points when they activate their TFC wallet. So, of course, I would really appreciate, guys, if you are going to use my code when you're going to download the Futbol app. So, here is the code that was shown here in the screen. Okay. So, if I want to invite friends, generating link. So this is the referral link, so I could copy and share it on my social media channels and messengers, etc. So the benefit is that I will be getting 5,000 points when the person I invite uses my link to register and activates their wallet. Okay, so either I could copy this link and then I'm just going to send it to my friends. That's it. And when they finish the task by registering under my link and activating their wallet, of course, I could get 5,000 points for every person that I invite. Okay. So you can see the public chats, TFC worldwide. So, okay, I click on this. So this is a public chat. Good afternoon. Oh, sorry. Good afternoon from the Philippines. So I just want to say hello to the community. Yes. Okay. And wow, there is a TFC Philippines as well. So I want to check on this. Oh, look at this. So, magandang hapon po sa lahat. So, this is good afternoon to everyone. Yes. And also, we could create our own room as well. So, let's say, of course, I could name my own room that I want, and then I could place an optional icon as well. So I could take a picture from gallery or from previously uploaded. Now that's very nice. Okay. So this is all we have, guys. Okay, so if you want to join another football club, of course you can do so. All right. So anyway, guys, this is all for now. At least I have shown you about the Futbol app. So I hope you like it, guys. So if you want to check this out, guys, it's already available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Okay, so if you want to sign up, just don't forget to use my referral code. So I will be showing it to you again. Okay, so that is my referral code. So I would really appreciate that you will be using this code, okay, in order to sign up in the Futbol app. All right, so if you think that this video about the Futbol app is quite helpful for you, of course, kindly don't hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your crypto, blockchain, and DeFi friends out there, especially those who love football or soccer, you know. And of course, I'm inviting you all to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for you to stay notified about my latest videos regarding cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and DeFi. And you can follow my social media channels right here or in my YouTube description. Okay, guys, so from my freaking home studio, this is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and see you all on my next video.